Do you enjoy eating seafood? If so, have you ever wondered how it gets to your plate? Once fish are harvested, most of the action takes place at fish processing plants. Let's study salmon, a popular edible finfish, to see how fish processing can work. Once drivers deliver the catch, workers at fish factories take over. After unloading the salmon, they feed the fish into a machine that removes the head and the eggs. Next, another machine removes the tail, fins, guts, and scales. Then, workers remove any remaining guts and organs along the spine of the fish. Next, workers wash the fish before grading and separating the fish into categories based on quality. From there, salmon are weighed and sorted into bins by size. At the end of this intake stage, the salmon are ready to advance to the next round of specialized processing. From here, the process branches. Workers place salmon to be frozen on trays so they can be taken to a walk-in freezer room. In the freezer, the quick drop in temperature causes small ice crystals to form in the flesh. If the temperature takes too long to drop, the ice crystals are too big and rupture the cells of the fish, causing damage when the fish is thawed. When done properly, this freezing step takes less than an hour. Once the fish are frozen, workers break the salmon out of their trays and rinse them with brine before packaging the frozen fish. The key to this stage is rapid freezing, which lengthens the shelf life of the fish and preserves its fresh taste and nutritional quality. Meanwhile, to make canned salmon products, workers feed the salmon into filler machines. These machines slice the salmon into steaks and place it into cans. Next, the cans are weighed so that workers can identify and top off underweight cans. Topped off cans re-enter the can line and get lids. Workers place the lidded cans into metal rolling bins, which are transferred into retort ovens. In the oven, the salmon cooks at a high temperature for 70 to 90 minutes. Afterwards, workers move the bins to a cooling area. The cooled cans are packed onto pallets and transported to a facility that labels and packs them for distribution. The key to the canning process is the high oven temperature, which sterilizes the microorganisms in the fish and increases the shelf life of the product to several years. As you can see, there are many steps involved in getting seafood to consumers like you. The next time you're at the grocery store or in a restaurant, do your part by asking where the fish came from, how it was harvested, and who processed it. Demanding information from this end of the food chain pressures the industry to keep track of the origins and processing paths of their products. This is one action we can take to help ensure that there are fish to enjoy in the future.